Here's a Cardano chart zoomed out. It is the cycles of crypto visualized. So beautiful. So much still in store. Cardano and meme coins. This has been my play. If you've been watching my videos through this cycle so far, you know, as far as altcoins are concerned, this is my play for the cycle. Cardano and meme coins. And right now, not only is it just still 100% in effect, but I am so locked in right now. This is the last, couple months, few months. This is a dog chart, down 71%. I want to stare at it right in the face and talk about it in this video, as well as Ski Mask Dog, as well as ADA. Hit the subscribe and like on the way in. Let's jump into the video. I want to start with ADA in this video. Too much going on. And I don't know if you've been following other just content creators in the space, but some huge content creators, this massive pendulum just swinging back into the direction of Cardano. Huge content creators becoming so bullish on Cardano in the environment where we have, I'm posting about things like this on behalf of Cardano holders, thanks to Grayscale for filing the ADA ETF. After years of underdog status, Cardano is becoming the obvious blue chip coin of the cycle. Back to dog for just a moment. If you're judging this cycle on what has happened in recent months right here, I think you are way too zoomed in. I don't think you're zoomed out enough on the fundamentals of crypto right now in general, let alone these coins. And I'm going to dig into dog charts as well as Ski Mask Dog charts. Ski Mask Dog also down a lot, but there's something special about those meme coins, and I want to go over that. But back to Cardano. It's severely undervalued and has such high macro value. And I think what happens next in this cycle is going to be very good for Cardano ADA. And the fact that we've had such consolidation at this moment of the cycle, it's just a good thing. If you've been in the space for years, you just know that. In a post-Bitcoin halving bull market, any consolidation, any dips, massive or not, are good things. Top blockchain projects. I saw this news. I can't believe this was like 3 days ago, and I missed this. Top blockchain projects meet White House Crypto Council to advocate for clearer regulations. And if you notice on here, Hines, second in command to crypto czar David Sachs, invited members from Ripple, Chia, Near, Filecoin, IOHK, Avalanche, Aptos, Movement, and Miston. And by the way, this is bullish news for all of these projects. But during the meeting, the blockchain projects said they need a quick action to reform the complicated tax code. By simplifying the tax framework, buying and selling tokens would become much more straightforward, benefiting both businesses and individual investors. This is just one other just really optimistic thing for ADA. Not only, I keep saying this cycle, but just in general, everybody, what's happening in crypto right now, it goes beyond just this cycle. So we look at an ADA chart. Everything we're talking about, we're looking to apply it to like this post-Bitcoin halving cycle. We're going to get the continuation of the bull market similar to what happened back here, right? That's the question. But it goes far beyond. Like this little thing right here, all the history of ADA on this chart, this is like a blip on this chart. What's here, right? That's what's transpiring right now for crypto. We are like the early stage of tech stocks in the early 2000s. That's what crypto is doing right now. So ADA just has so much going for it, and it's a foundational piece of my bull market play, as many of you obviously know. And this chart just looking very good. The one thing I wanted to talk about, and then we're going to talk about the meme coin conversation. The one thing I wanted to talk about on this chart is the very fact that when we're looking at this, everybody, this is the bull market door area, and ADA has just closed above this area. The 200-week moving average is the lower range of the bull market doors. We capitulated below it, hit the 50-week moving average, and we bounced back above it. Right here, above the 200-week, that green area. Now what we're contending with is that 20-week moving average. So big week for ADA as we start. It's a brand new week. That 20-week moving average right around 79.5 cents. We are like a penny below. I don't know how the week will go, but getting above that area will be incredibly bullish sign for ADA. So let's go have the meme coin conversation. Before we do, everybody, I want to give a quick shout out to iTrustCapital. Everybody, just go sign up on their website. If you're a long-term macro person, I talk about it all the time. We're talking about ADA throughout cycles even, not just this bull cycle, but throughout cycles. If you want to macro trade crypto throughout these cycles, the iTrustCapital IRA is just a very valuable product. to be able to trade within these cycles, or even on the zoomed in with tax-free features. It just goes beyond what you can do in any exchange, in any wallet, on any DEX, and it's incredibly unique. If you're especially if you're a long-term holder and investor in the crypto space, it is something to think about. So shout out to iTrustCapital. Please hit the link below and sign up with them. Now going over here, I'm going to dig into the dog chart and the ski mask dog chart. I saw this post and I just really wanted to talk about it. It hit home on a couple things, and it really ties into dog and ski mask dog. After 10 years of being in crypto and trading, I need to address what's currently happening. Reality check is, and I'm going to kind of breeze through this, meme coin trading has become 24/7 sprint. You're considered late after 15 minutes. Holding for 6 to 12 hours is long term. Every new token launch feels like a trap. These aren't market cycles anymore. They're market seizures. The number of rugs, honeypots, outright frauds is staggering. Y'all know what he's talking about, and it's leading to burnouts. I've traded through bull markets, bear markets, everything in between. This is different, constant rotation, 24/7 FOMO. It's exhausting, even the most seasoned folks. The point for me as I'm reading this is like, stay away from it all. Stay away from it all. Stay away from the casino. We're burning out builders who are chasing a dragon that doesn't exist. Real projects can't compete with pump and dumps. This isn't sustainable. Good projects are being overshadowed. Experienced traders are burning out. The community is losing faith. We need a return to fundamentals, and this is it. Focus on sustainable growth. Support our real builders. Community-driven accountability. And if I go, we're about to look at community-driven meme coins. And let me say this. As he just said, the cycle's flooded with pump and dumps, non-value meme coins, and is not going to stop the bull market. That's my thought. But avoiding the casino is the way to win in the cycle. Only high-value meme coins with strong communities like Dog and Ski will last and deliver monumental gains. I'm not here to tell you to go, and I say this time and time again, I'm not trying to tell you to go buy Dog and Ski, but this is a huge piece of my approach to this cycle. And at the end of the cycle, I'm either going to be right or wrong about it. But I'm not trying to influence you to go do it. This is me tracking my crypto journey. Cardano, a huge piece of it, obviously through cycles, right? But this bull market cycle, Dog and Ski Mask Dog, huge part of it. Let me start with Dog. If Doge is to ever be flipped by a meme, it's going to be Dog on Bitcoin. Now, I want to point out, not so much the post, but when the post was. April 25th, 2024. If we look at the Dog chart, this is a weekly. Here's May, this first candle of this chart. So I was posting back here. Here's another post. This is from August 8th, right? I was posting August 8th, somewhere around here. Posting here, posting here. So I'm posting the swing highs, the massive crashes, swing highs, massive crashes. And with where we're in the cycle, I'm sitting here, I'm tracking this with you all. And so maybe some people bought here, rode it up, and it fell back down as well. I've been holding through these crashes, just kind of very confident that Dog on Bitcoin is going to perform incredibly well. The billions, the multi-billions this cycle, and it's sitting at 280 some million right now. And again, I'm going to track this. I might be wrong. And if we end the cycle and all of a sudden everything's crashing and Dog goes to zero, I'll have to do a video and just be like, I'll talk about it, right? I'll talk about all of it. But I just want to say, when we're starting to dissect these charts, here's what I think is going on. People are way too zoomed in. Focus on the cycle at hand, and not only the cycle, but just kind of outside of this cycle alone, what's happening with crypto. Look at the weekly chart. This is what I wanted to point out to you. Look how oversold it is on the weekly. But what I really wanted to point out is this. Look at the MACD. A very new MACD, just trending down. We have this first light red. But here's what becomes telling. If you actually change the time frame, so let's scale back from 1 week to 3 days, we're starting to get a little bit of a reversal story on the MACD now. Now we have a trend of the histogram trending up. And people, after a huge dip, very bearish on Dog, now are the moments when we start getting these on any crypto, is the moment you have to start paying attention. That's a 3-day. the 2-day, the story continues and getting even crazier. The MACD getting ready to cross above the signal line. Bunch of pain. What is actually in store? And you go to the daily with a recent MACD crossing above the signal line and this upward momentum on the histogram. The reversal of dog and the momentum of dog, it is primed. I just want to say that. I don't know what markets are going to do. Maybe we have another leg down to test the 100s, the 100 millions. It's been there before. It's capitulated there before. It capitulated right around 200 million. This was days ago, early February. So we'll continue tracking that. Depends what crypto is going to do. But long term, everybody, in this cycle, because I think the bull cycle hasn't even really started for altcoins. This chart is insane, especially with what's going on with dog right now and what dog is doing, bridging, getting ready to. We have to. I saw Leonidas post. We have to use a different word for bridging, but making its way to other chains. Imagine just dog sending dog from Bitcoin wallet to Cardano wallet. That is so in play right now. And so when we start seeing dog on Cardano, on Solana, liquidity just gravitating towards a fundamentally strong, distributed, fair meme coin, finally, what do you think is going to happen? These crazy rug pulls and pump and dumps going to the billions. What do you think is going to happen to the number one meme coin on dog? You already know. You already know what I think is going to happen. And then we have Ski Mask Dog. I like Ski Mask Dog because this is another high value meme coin. This has nothing to do, in my view, Ski Mask Dog or dog. It's just separate from all the casino meme coins that are just nonstop launching. These two are fundamentally sound meme coins that I think are going to just do so good in this cycle. But Ski Mask Dog is a CTO project on Base. And Base has such a good narrative right now, especially for a meme coin like Ski Mask Dog, which is a high value play. It's the same thing. Look at Ski Mask Dog oversold on the stock R side, quicker moving momentum oscillator. And then what I want to look at similarly to dog is the MACD. Here's the MACD. Check it out. Oh man, it's like, it's really just kind of in the red, right? But you get hints of if this is going to actually start reversing on the shorter time frames, the 3-day. What's happening? Histogram starting to get light red. MACD line getting ready to maybe see a reversal on this 3-day chart. And it's the same as dog. You go to 2-day. Now we're really starting to see a reversal form for Ski Mask Dog and the daily. The sellers, the shorts, getting tired, not just on these meme coins, but much of crypto. And here is the bottoming out of Ski Mask Dog on the daily MACD. So this chart, so much in store as it pulls into that 200-day moving average for an incredible run up. I don't know. Ski Mask Dog could get listed on Coinbase, and it's game on, everybody. So upside of these meme coins is strong. I just want to say that just because we've dipped so much, and by the way, like if you look at dog, yeah, it's down like 70% right now, but ultimately even blue chips like ADA saw huge dips, swing high to swing low, 61%, currently down 42%. So meme coins dipping right now is 100% normal, but I wanted to do a video on these because I just want to let you know, even though like markets are down, I'm still obviously tracking ADA, but I'm still here in terms of dog and Ski Mask Dog. And I invested in these knowing we can get 80% dips even in a bull market. So the consolidation that's happening in crypto right now as we hit these oversold areas is not going to like change that for me. So I wanted to give an update on it because I know I've talked about it before, and this is just where my head's at. I don't know. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. These are my thoughts for the cycle. It could all go to zero, and if it does, I'll have to reevaluate and see where it went wrong. But otherwise, I'm just going to continue just tracking my crypto journey. And so far, and it's not just these 3 tokens, but Cardano and these 2 meme coins are a really big play for me this cycle. So we'll continue tracking to see what happens. If you're out there, please hit the subscribe, hit the like. Shout out to iTrustCapital for sponsoring the video. Please sign up with them below through the CCV link. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.